Imagine a world where you could guarantee your next client. No more hunting around and not knowing when or where your next job was coming from. Imagine knowing exactly where to find your ideal client and how to get them to become your biggest fan. They say it's the journey and not the destination that matters most. But the problem is that along that journey, you face constant setbacks. Ones that cost you time while others cost you your hard-earned money. And for any entrepreneur, those setbacks can be the difference between success and the failure of your business. I remember when I was 25. I just started my business from a desk in my parents' living room, and I was scared. I had no idea when or where my next project was coming from. I never got paid on time, and I struggled to get higher paying clients that would help me grow my business to that next level. And the worst thing was knowing that creating amazing content alone wasn't gonna get me there. And that's a tough pill to swallow. So I grinded away. I worked on things that I hated, and I learned the business side of filmmaking. And through the long road of trial and error, I built a system that gave me success. Within the first 4 months, I had signed 6 high-paying clients on regular monthly retainers, giving my business a predictable cash flow every single month. And it meant that I knew exactly when and where my next job was coming from. Fast forward a few years, and I had a 6-figure business, a studio, and a team of people working on major projects all over the world. But I was still unfulfilled. Over the pandemic, I saw lots of people struggling to make ends meet. So I created a YouTube channel and started sharing with others what had worked well for me, the failures and the setbacks that I had along my own journey, so that other filmmakers didn't need to make those same mistakes, especially at a time when it was crucial to their survival of their business. I just couldn't understand why this information wasn't already out there. So I launched the Perspective Academy, a platform where like-minded entrepreneurs could avoid those setbacks and grow their businesses to the next level so that they could make a sustainable living doing what they love. A community based on collaboration and the desire to become better than you are right now. Our unique system helped hundreds of videographers and photographers attract and retain high-paying clients.
I knew nothing about the business side of filmmaking, but the Academy makes it so easy to set up, understand, and get results.
Like 7 to 10 days to see my first results.
But after 2 weeks, I signed my first retainer customer, which made me about 20,000 euros per year.
It was just over 2 weeks and I already made more than what I spent for the course, so it's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend for everyone.
It was the best decision I made at this point in my journey.
But I kept asking myself, what about those people who don't succeed? Those who struggle to make sales and struggle to find clients in the first place? What if there was a way where you could guarantee success? So over the past few months, my team and I set out to fully update the Academy and create a framework to land clients every single time. We built a new system that not only supported established filmmakers, but those who are just starting out on their journeys too. Those who want to be their own boss and take control of their own future.
I literally just quit my job last week, and it feels absolutely amazing to be able to say that every day I wake up and I do my own business.
If you're thinking about building your own business, even if you're a freelancer right now, or if you've got a business of your own and just want to scale it up, I personally think the course will do wonders for you.
It's worth its weight in gold.
In business, you have to invest in your knowledge.
But I would definitely recommend it over anything else at the moment out there.
The impact that he's had in my business in such a short space of time has been incredible.
This is the brand new Perspective Academy, and we guarantee your first or your next client within 30 days.